Today, we're going to learn how to customize your writing journal by adding clip art and images to the covers. Ready? Here we go. So let's say you've chosen this lime green writing journal and you'd like to add some images. Very easily, all you need to do is go up to Insert Image, click on that, and it's going to give you several options. If you have images already saved on your computer, you just choose Upload from Computer. If you have photos, maybe you want to put a photo of your family in there, or a pet, or something else that you love, maybe a wonderful trip that you took, and you'd like to put that on your writing journal. If you save the photos in your Google Drive, you'll find them right here under Photos. Another fun thing is to choose camera, and that will actually allow you to use the camera of your computer to take a photo right now and put it right in there. That's a great option for putting your photo on your writing journal, or maybe gathering some people around the computer and taking a picture of the people you care about and putting that on your cover. Those are some options. Today, we're going to work with the Search the Web tool to find images and photos that you might like to use. So when you choose Search the Web, you can see it'll come up with this right here. And if you have already been searching like I have, it might have your last search ready for you. Let's say you would like to choose what I did, flowers. You feel like flowers would be a great cover. I recommend that you search flowers, transparent background, because that means they won't have the white box around them, and you can just put them on kind of like a sticker. So if you do that, you get all of these lovely choices. Oh, look at that one. I love this orange flower. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and you see that there is a blue check mark. I'm going to insert that onto my writing journal. Whew, that may be a tiny bit big. I'm going to go ahead and go here to the corner and just choose that corner and then shrink that down to a much smaller size. That looks much better to me. But you know, it's got this leaf right here, and I feel like that would be better if it were poking kind of more towards the bottom. So I'm going to go here to this circle at the top, and you'll see when I click on that circle, my cursor turns into a little plus sign. When you get the plus sign, click and hold, and you can rotate that flower as far as you want. I think I went a little far. I'm going to rotate it back to there. Right there. Oh, yes, that's exactly what I was hoping for. And then I'm going to put it up here in this corner. It's a little big, so I'm going to go ahead and shrink it down a skoshie bit more, and then just get my cross and drag it. Excellent. I love that. Let's try one more. Go back to Insert Image, search the web, and this time I don't think I want flowers, but I still want a transparent background because I don't want that white box on the back. This time I think I'd like an emoji. So I'm going to say emoji, laughing, transparent background. Oh, fantastic. I like this guy right here. So I'm going to click on that. You see I have my blue check mark, which means I've chosen it. And now I can insert it onto my journal. Again, it's a little big. So I'm going to go to this corner, drag it to be a little smaller, and place it where I want it. And that's how you can customize the cover of your writing journal. Ready to purchase? If you can't wait to get the digital writing journal, just click on the link in the description or right here in front of you. Thanks for watching.